Tajahao, ni hao. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Bog's Kitchenette. And today's video, we're going to cook tomato egg tofu recipe. So, let's go. Itong recipe na po ito ay napakasikat dito sa China. So, ito po yung ating mga ingredients. Of course, kailangan natin dito ng tomatoes, soft tofu, spring onion, eggs, and garlic. So, unahin po natin yung ating itlog. I-beat natin muna yan. And then, ilalagay natin sa ating tofu. Slice natin yung ating tofu. And sa kawali, maglagay tayo ng 1 tablespoon of oil. So, pag mainit na yung ating mantika, ilalagay na natin yung ating tofu with egg. And then, we're going to set it aside. And then, yung ating kamatis, hiwain natin ito na pag ganito. And then, magpakulo tayo ng tubig sa isang casserole. And then, ilagay natin yung ating tomato. So, lalagan natin yung mga 2 to 3 minutes. Pag lumamig na yung ating tomatoes, balatan natin at saka hiwain natin. And for the sauce, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of cornstarch, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. And maglagay tayo ng 1/2 cup of water. I-mix well lang natin hanggang maging well combined. And then we're going to set it aside. In the same pan, we're going to add 1/2 tablespoon of oil. Add the garlic. Saute it. And then we're going to add our tomatoes. Add our tofu and egg. And we're going to add our sauce. And that's it. So let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Add the spring onion on top. Mix well and it's done. Ready to serve. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like our recipe for today. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless everyone. Bye.